this is Saif. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to review a product basically. So the product is pertinent to medical health and well-being, and the product is a steam vaporizer, and this is going to play a pivotal role during the menacing times that we are going through, and this can heal diseases like common cold, sinusitis and nasal congestion. So you can use it at any time and recover from these infections. So I would embolden everyone to have this equipment at your home and use it at your will. So let's get started on the use cases and also on how to exactly use it and what needs to be done in order to utilize its efficacy. So let me give you a demonstration of how it actually works, and so you can make utilize of this video and stay informative. And before I proceed, I request everyone to subscribe my channel, and whosoever are new to my channel, I request you to click on the bell icon as well as the subscribe button to get frequent updates on my new videos. And let's get started. So here is the equipment which I purchased just today, and so I purchased this device circa 300 rupees approximately from Polo Pharmacy. So I would always recommend everyone to purchase any sort of medical equipments at a medical store. So you can see here, so it shows 350. I bargained and got it to 300 rupees, and this is how it looks like. And I think you can purchase this online as well, but unfortunately I purchased on online and it turned out to be defective. So I got refunded, and I can purchase this at the medical store itself. So it's called as Steamo, and you can see its user manual as well. You can see how to use it and all that. And so the important thing is that the distance between the steam bowl and your face must be between 5 to 10 inches gap, and so you can use this distance and I mean with ease and safeness. So yeah, let's get started here. So this is the product that was actually included within the box. So this is the main steamer, and inside this you can see the level over here shown here, which is max and minimum level. I think this is close to 500 ml of water, and so fundamentally you can sprinkle some salt and inhale, and if not, additionally you can put 2 tablespoons of ajwain, that is carom seeds, and 2 tablespoons of turmeric, and 4 to 5 mint leaves, and you can even put neem leaves as well. And so there is I think we'll put 2 tablespoons of what you call it, pudina, mint leaves as well, and mix it well with water, and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes for it to be more efficient. And you can use this way, and you can make utilize of its efficacy, and you can quickly heal your common cold, sinusitis and nasal congestion issues you might go through. So let's get started on how to use it. So here guys, I'm going to insert this onto the junction box here. Soon as I do that, so there is a minor sound that is coming out from the steamer, and you can see the visible steam coming out of this steamer, and you need to let this boil for 5 to 10 minutes for it to fully work. So you can see here I have just inserted this one, and I'm just going to insert this as well. So see guys, there are 3 devices on how to use it. So you can first use this one. If you want, just insert it, and this will there is a hole here, so from there steam will come, and you can utilize this particular device to actually get the steam directly on your face. So I will turn this on and I will show you how to use it. So keep there must be distance between 5 to 10 inches. So here the steam is directly coming towards my face, and I will it's getting too hot here. So I will just turn this off for now, and my glass is surrounded with mist, so I'm just wiping it away. And after that, make sure for all the insertion you turn the main switch off because it's too hot here, and I'm just and operate it very carefully. And this one is for nose, so if you want you can keep the nose here and take the steam. You will insert this here and keep your nose here and take the steam. Similarly, if you turn on the thing, and you have to just keep your I think it has to be like this. So you will keep the nose here and take the steam. So this is the use case of this particular device here. So, and this particular cap is, I think, for your entire face. You can use it. Like you can. I think this is a more safer option, I would say. And inside this you have small pores for the steam to come out. And I think this one would be the most safer option. And you can see you just turn it on, and you can keep the face here and take the steam. So that so these are the three different use cases, and the caps available here for the steam to be taken. And see, you can see how much sweating it has happened since I was taking the steam. You can see my face is sweating excessively. So that's all I have in this video. So if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share this video amongst your friends, relatives, and whosoever you know, and so they might utilize this informative video of mine. And so until we meet in the next video, this is Saif signing off. You all stay safe and take care, and cheers, tada, bye bye.